Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iWTV onvusela uProfessor CM likhuleni inyanga muni inyanga kuthi kodwa inyanga yakutitwisisa bathi abanye kanti wenza ngani kanti umunye wenza ngani kanti bona no KB bohlukana nini ngithi hayi mfowethu ungasishaya esinye isichitho uphinde ufake esinye isichitho uphinde ushaye okunye ngeke kuphinde kwenzeke lokho kuze kuvuma idlozi lithi madoda manje sesikhathi sokuthi niye ngale kubogogo siphinde sihlangane ngale phambili siqhube lento besihlangane ngayo emhlabeni ngisho njalo bafowethu ngithi imadoda la jabulisa izulu bajabulisa nomhlaba phela masihle sona bra KB ubabele ushadandla uthi nawo naba labantu ngabahlanganisa sawubona bra KB.
Amen alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ngiyanamukela and hello to all the viewers that are out there. Betabula TV, Hymno Prof December. For those that don't know Shem, bang bonisi poverty lovaba uzombona. When you meet him, you will recognize him. Nambona the day I saw him, I knew it was him. As directed by Pupo. She's on jelly story one day. She's on jelly story one day. It's gonna be awesome. Anyway, Prof, without wasting time, Tolama calls from young people asking me, I think for me now something that's very important. Umdeni wakithi uyahlupheka. Okay? Mina ngiyaspana, ngiyahlanganisa slowly ngiyahlanganisa. I'm putting aside 5,000 mhlambe a month from my job. The lucky ones baba abanemsebenzi. But the problem yami ukuthi I'm 22 or I'm 23. And then I can feel or I can hear sometimes from inyanga ukuthi it's not a good idea ukuthi ngithwale at this age. Mina personally SKB I totally discourage indaba yabantu abancane before under 28 or under 27 ukuthi bathwala. But as I'm not a healer and I wanted to come to wena for you to say okay, for wena as far as you umuntu othwalisayo, what is the right age yokuthi ngiqale ngithwale if I can afford ukuthwala?
Hayi ngiyayizwa le ndoda iqalile and niyazi le ndoda inokutrepana ukuthi uma ukhuluma bese ithi la ngimfuna khona. Okay, bra KB, truly speaking does not break any sponsor shop or friendship. Into ekhona bra KB ekuthwaleni kusebenza ingqondo. But angeke uthathe isithwalo unikeze umntwana ka 18 years or ka 20 years or ka 21 uthi unike isithwalo because of usagcwalele umntwana usagcwalele ukuthi usafuna into leti ningi. So isithwalo sifuna umuntu lo sekajulile kakhulile sekavuthwe akwati ukumita lezi zinto ezifuneka ku contract. Remember musingamabomu i-contract inomthetho or isithwalo sinomthetho. Isithwalo sinomthetho, certain umthetho kufuna ukuthi uhambe ngaphansi kwawo. So unike umntwana osafuna ukuya ngengisho ukuthi kuyiphi ebumnandini. Okay, ofuna ukuya emnandini akhohle ukuthi kunento kufuna ikhulumise ngo4 ayobuye ekseni ngo2 alale ayovuka ngolo kanjani bese kubhedile kanjani. Isithwalo sifuna umuntu sekavuthwe ngemqondo lokwathi ukuhlukanisa impilo ukuthi manje ngiyakwazi ukuhlukanisa lokhu nalokho. Ingakho isikhathi lesiningi abanye abantwana utho wafika athi ngibuya kolanda isithwalo kuphi abantwana babona ngokuloko laba lokubahamba bakhuluma kinyakhe lokwenza kanoga hayi somperekele KB noga ukhomba ukuthi akakenzi njani akakajuli ukuthi angamphathisa into yokuthi angabanjani into eyisithwalo bra KB kuze namhla ibe phephula ngalendlela le ingoba banikeza nabantwana izithwalo nani hayi mina ngina 20 years umndeni wasekhaya uyahlupheka kusho kwakho manje ngifuna ukuthi ngisize umndeni wasekhaya. Asali ungawusiza umndeni wasekhaya but the problem ukuthi awuvuthwanga ukhomba ukuthi uvuthwe khona ukuwondla lo mndeni wasekhaya ungahlupheki. Mase ukwazi ukuwondla lo mndeni sesiyabona manje udayi manje le ndoda ayinazi isikhathi sokujiva ayinazi isikhathi samantombazane ayina umuntu onjalo mina mafika khala special mina ngingimbuza ngithi uyaphuza athi ngiyaphuza ngithi okay uphuza makwenze njani asho ukuthi hayi mani nginokuphuzwa uma ngama Sunday o ngama Friday ngithi ubuya ngasikhathini ekhaya athi as prof nokubuya later nyana. So ngithi mina mntwana nami khohlwa isithwala sifuna abantu abanje sifuna abantu abase bakwazi ukungena endlini ngesikhathi ngoba isithwalo nesinye sine certain time okumele ucommunicate naso uma sikufuna la ekhaya sikufuna la ekhaya wena sowuleka mama uyangichaza isithwalo siyakufuna siyaqala siyeba ivruvayi sizokuyeka kokuqala ngoba usithungeke silungu so yabona ukuthi sokubulalise abantu abaningi
ubulala nokubulala
sibulale into uyangivisisa brakb asithi siyaphuma sithola umntwana wakho ngaphandle besifuna wena bese sihamba zulana na umntwana wakho sohlangabezana nenkinga noma umntwana wasekhaya wena senu remember ayipoko abantwana bakwazi ukuzifila that's why umntwana omncane uma ungaqhamuka uphethe unento uma uthi yamguguvela bangele
uhamba nalomuntu
yahamba nalomuntu yayibona into enjalo so mina ngithi nami ngithi total no abantwini aba underage abangasengangena ezingeni lokubaba angisho ukhumbule ukuthi 22 years ukuvumela ukuthi hayi sewuyindoda ukuthi ungafaka intombi ekhaya so angeke sithi that is twalo ngoba ngeke kwazi ukuthi English
and life experience how is too low it's like too low. I mean you think at 23 I was 23 and I had an office, I had a good job and whatever, but I was very immature. All the education in the world couldn't help me from making bad decisions. So I don't know, but
no,
so now you don't endorse it.
Angivumelani naye brakb umuntu ongavuthwanga uyahlupha ngoba uza la athi kusasa ngifuna ukuba nemali and mangasa ithuli soyakufonela KB hey phela ngibuya kwathatha lento leya lena ku professor lento ayilungi ustakile ithulile ithethu akunanto engiyibonayo kodwa umuntu
okhuluma ku social media
aya ku social media ya yile la yikho lento yakho yile lapha yikho lento yakho and then akhohle ukuthi konje lento le secret sakasaba abantu abaningi bandlula emhlabeni ngokuthi banika abantwana ithwala so to save life and also ukuthi into yethu si ama African doctors or ama tradition healers let's protect ubunyanga bethu singavumeli ukuthatha umntwana umhage ngejoko elingabhavu
yes
and then bese kusasa bese mayiqada ithi boom sekuthiwa ya inyanga ngoba phela makubona izambani bathi sonke sesilapho kanti asifundeni ukubheka umuntu nokuza umuntu futhi naye ngangaba na 40 years brakb but angavuthwanga la izinto zeyithwalo kahle kahle mina ngokuya ngami bengizothi umuntu othi ufuna isithwalo ake sihlale naye phansi kumfake ku interview uzoqala ukuthi uvuthiwe na before we give him isithwalo yabona njenganamhla njengone special brakb abantu bebafikile ngijikise mlozi maybe 5 namhlanje 5 and ba register angazi iminyaka but mase sifika la siye inkulumi uyabona ukuthi umuntu akavuthwanga umnika into yakho kusasa iqhashi yeah so namhlanje ngijikise about 5 people nje lento
and not you don't endorse it awukho la
uyangivisisa
alright
so into leyo angivumelani naye brakb and also ngisho ukuthi mangabe siyayivala nje ngibonge nabantu base Rustenburg.
Oh, yeah. It went well.
Yes, it's Rustenburg. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga ngishaya isandla phezulu kwesinye. Ngiswela ibonga. Brakb uzibonele lapha. Ngingabaleka brakb ngiza ekhaya. Mangifika la ekhaya ngathola about ngaze ekhaya kokwezingibiza. Mangibuyele emuva ngathola kugcwele kundlule eksini. Ngasiza abantu until sisuke eRustenburg ngo12
sure
so ngisho ukuthi eRustenburg iyakhombisa ukuthi iyayifuna ibranch so Rustenburg siyafika na kanjani so ngisho ukuthi nalabo bafikela ekhaya thank you so much I appreciate everything you have done ukuze utshintshe impilo zenu hayi ukuthi ngibonga ukuthi nifike nazothatha
sicela iphini why ngisingayivuli futhi
hayi enhle kwazini ngiyasiqhubekisa ispecial bafethu until ngomhla ka21
siyabonga
ngomhla ka21 abantu abaqhubeke ba register
siyabonga
hayi siyasiqhubekisa brakb so I say mawufika nje special until nge21